Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the prediction website at habhub.org. So first you can see that the website specifically is predict.habhub.org, and what we're going to do next is basically find our location. So if you look at this initial page, you'll see that this is in the United Kingdom, and so we actually want to find where we are. Now for the balloon launching from Noblesville High School, we're going to launch from the west side of the high school. So I'm going to zoom in and find Noblesville High School. And Noblesville High School is on Field Drive, which is right down here in Cumberland Road. If you want to see, that's about as far as I can go. If you want a satellite, you can go up here to satellite, and you can see there's Noblesville High School, which is back here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to set with map. So there's a link here that's set with map, and I can actually get my latitude and longitude simply based on that. So I'm going to click on that, and then it says now click your desired location of launch, which will be right about here, and it has now made a point right there. You can't tell, it's zoomed out quite a bit, but that's where the point is, and it gives me the latitude and longitude right here for the start. Now the launch meters, and so what we're going to do is a quick little conversion here. About 811 feet, and you can see if I just start typing that into Google, it gives me 247.1928 meters. Alright, so I'm going to go back to, oh, that's the wrong spot. Go back to here, and I'm going to put in 240, what did we get there? 247.19. Alright, 247.19 is my meters. Launch time. Now launch time, we're hoping for it to be at 8:30 in the morning. This is UTC time, which is currently 4 hours ahead of where we are on Eastern time in Indiana. So we want to basically add 4 hours to our launch time prediction. The launch date will be the 8th of May. This is our hope. Now that'll change depending on the day. We can either do it the 8th, the 9th, or the 12th. So just keep that in mind. Now right now I'm doing this on April 28th. This will not make a prediction at all for May 8th at this point. It's way too far out there. So I'm going to do something a little bit closer. I'm going to do the 29th of April. So you can see what this looks like. Ascent rate for right now, until I tell you otherwise, 5 meters per second. I'm really hoping we get above 100,000 feet. I'm going to aim for 33,000 feet. Now, we have no idea what the burst altitude will be. We can predict it within a certain range, but honestly, we just don't know. And so what you'll want to do in this situation is make multiple predictions from, I'd say, anywhere from 28,000 up to maybe even 38,000 meters. 33,000 meters, if you want to figure that out, or if you want to figure out what 100,000 feet is. 2 meters is 30,480. So if you wanted to be a little bit more specific on the 100,000, then you could go to 30,480 meters, and that would give you an idea. We're going to assume that the descent rate is also about 5 meters per second. So I'm going to go ahead and run our prediction, and you will see that it shows up, and it looks like it's actually going to go north by northeast, so it's going to go really far north, close to Fort Wayne, if we go that high. And what you'll see is if I change this, let's say I do 38,000 feet, that will change the predicted location, but not by a whole lot. I wonder why that is. In any case, we can predict other dates as well, and most importantly, the computer you're on, if you do save location, it'll actually save this location and you can give it a name and your computer will remember it as long as the cookies are enabled. So that's about as much as I have to give you right now. Hope that helps, and we will take your predictions.